Start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned we can expect to get one more drop. And exactly this is what we get. As we mentioned if the price drop, we can expect the price drop to 1.24 following by 1.2. Then if we get any reversal for buy, we will take it. Because we mentioned we are not interested to look for sell, but we were interested to look for buy, and this is what we get. And you mentioned if we get any trade setup for buy, the first level we're looking for is 1.4. If the price could break 1.4, the next one is 1.5. As we can see, the price couldn't break 1.4 and is reject. Now we want to see what's the next, because if you put this stop in relative to the previous one, MACD show us the divergence, and even if we move to forward chart, we will see that we had a divergence. That's why we could expect to see the price drop, all right? And even based on forward chart, we see we had a divergence, both of the indicators. Anyway, we want to see what's the next. We start with the daily. All right. Now the question, because if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. No, the question is whether, as a first option, this is a correction in relative to this, and we can look for continuation, or as a second option, we can put these two in relative to each other as a flat, as a 1, 2, 3 for one more drop before we get the reversal. All right. Anyway, we are not really interested to look for for the second option, but if we want to look for buy, we need to be quite aware about the second option. That's why if you get any trade setup for buy, if it's not moving in our direction, we should know about the bigger picture and the second option. All right. And if we move to 1 hour chart, sorry, forward chart, we mentioned with the breakout of 1.4, we need to see the breakout of 1.5. We need to see the breakout of the previous top. We need to see confirm the breakout of this correction. Anyway, at this point, and right now, we can consider this one as a flat in relative to this. If we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. At this point, we are not really interested to look for sell unless we see the deeper correction or some changes, all right? But based on forward chart, I don't see any reversal or even trade setup for buy. But if we move to 1 hour chart, we want to see what we have. If you put this low in relative to the previous one, and if you refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence as well here. That's why if we get any reversal, any for buy, we will take it. And either this is the start of the up move, or we can expect to get one move up similar to what we have here before we get the next drop and reversal. Anyway, if we get any trade for buy, at least as a sharp move flag, we will take it, or we can put our entry above here in case the price reverses a sharp move. Then if we see it's not moving our direction, we should know that we can expect this one turn to flat, which we are not really interested. But if we get any reversal for buy, we will take it and we start to manage it. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.